Guys, so we're going to do some stability work for the legs, which is going to work on stabilizing the ankle, the knee, and the hip. And it's a pretty good burn. We're going to focus on your glute medius and the muscles in the feet, the ligaments in the feet, tendons in the feet, all designed to make your lower body a lot more stable. And we're going to use some muscle and bone bands. So of these, you got a yellow, a green, and a purple. And they're staggered in such a way that the yellow is the easiest, the green is in the middle, and the purple is the most difficult, okay? So let's go ahead and start with the yellow one. We're gonna put the bands around our midfoot for the first set. Here's our first set. I'm gonna take my right foot, playing on the floor is my left foot. From here, I'm gonna move my arms as if I were in motion. This is called functional training, okay? Here, I'm gonna go for 10 reps. 4. Now you see how I'm trying to fight. That whole thing is designed to make my foot do a little extra work and my hip at the same time. I'm keeping the stabilizing or the stationary leg stiff the whole time, okay? And I'm here. If you see my foot, it's dorsiflex, meaning my toes are pointed toward my head as hard as I possibly can. And I'm trying to bring my knee up to hip height. That should be 5, 6. Now in the exact same form, I'm going to do that in the plank position or in the push-up position. I'm gonna have a flat back, squeeze my butt as much as I can, and the same thing. And then I want to switch. The interesting thing about this is that if you find one foot has the band slipping off, is that that foot is probably weaker with dorsiflexion. And the muscles that are responsible for your dorsiflexion are right along the outside part of your shin. So I've got some exercises for that too. But for now, the next one, after that one, lying your back, all in the same position, around the middle of your foot. Same thing, 15 times, 10 times rather. Now, as I changed position, I was working different muscles. As I was standing, I was forcing my body to stabilize with the shake. When I went in the push-up position, I was forcing my shoulders to stabilize. And then when I lie on my back, there are no stability factors involved. It's more psoas and lower abs from the pulling here. Psoas muscle is a weird muscle. It goes from, but it's a big muscle. It goes from your spine toward the front of your body. So it's on your spine in the back. Then inside it moves toward the front of your body and attaches to the top of this big femur bone, this big thigh bone. And that's that exercise. All right, staying with the same band, same color, the yellow. We'll move into, again, more stability work. This is designed for another burn. Once you get the burn in the stable leg, the stationary leg, you know you're doing it right. Watch my feet. You want to make sure you're swinging, rather. You want to make sure you're not swinging when you're doing this exercise. You want to have control over your foot. When I say swing, I mean this motion. You want to control it. So let's change the position of this thing around from the rounds of the middle of our feet. Let's move it to our ankles. So the way I avoid swinging this thing as opposed to controlling it and moving it is when I go forward, my foot doesn't go past the point of my stationary heel. Go here, 2. And again with that functionality movement, moving the opposite arm according to the leg. Let's go for 10 times. 9, I guess. 10, it's about there. Now, same thing, without planting that leg, I'm going to come straight out to the side. 3. Now I want you to see how I'm doing this. I'm not turning out here as I go to the side. I'm leading with more of my heel by keeping my foot pointing, my toes are pointing straight ahead at me. Or away from me. 5, 6, 7. Again, I'm getting the burn here. 8, that's what we're after. 9, 10. The last movement in this one is back with a little bit of a twist like this. It goes back, I twist from the hip, and then I bring my foot forward. Back, twist to the hip, forward, pointing straight ahead. And again, I'm not swinging. If you look, I'm not doing this. I'm controlling the foot. Twist, back, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Please, feel free. Thank you. So that's the right leg, switch the legs. Okay, same thing, so you have a profile, how it looks, okay? Can you keep those up for now, please? 5 seconds. 7, thank you. 8, 9, 10, and then 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then twist. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. The whole thing is designed to get that burn in your upper thigh, tops of your hamstrings, and your glute med, side of your butt right here. Get that sucker burning, you're doing some work. Now, you want to eventually work your way up to 15 to 20 repetitions in each movement on each plane, front, side, and back. Believe me, when you get there, you'll be doing some work. All right? See you soon.